Today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Nightmare Neighbor Terrorizes Family Ends Badly.
Police respond to a house after receiving a 911 call about a burglary in progress.
Stop right there. What's going on? Whose house are you knocking in?
What?
Why are you knocking on that house? Do you live here?
No, this is where I stay at. As in, where I stay at.
This is where you stay at?
Yes.
You have your ID on you?
Yeah, well, I'm actually getting it confiscated with my baby daddy.
Okay, who lives here?
Well, who lives here? We have confiscated.
3-2-4, we've been told the subject appears to be pretty
We
sensitive.
actually have actual, like, documents and everything. Like, we have straight documents. Like,
have you been drinking him?
no, ma'am.
Okay.
So that's why I'm trying to make sure that we have documents.
Okay.
Yeah.
But who's in this house right now?
Well,
What's
right
the name
now,
of the person that lives here?
the person who lives here right now, I don't have the issue who lives here right now, but they are the person who acts crazy.
Okay, who lives here? What's the name of the person that lives here? So why are you knocking in somebody's house that you don't know who lives there?
It was something different. So that's the only reason. That's the only reason.
How'd you get here? Where are you coming from?
Yesterday, I was getting ice cream. Honestly, I was getting ice cream. Honestly, that's it. I was just getting ice cream. That's it, baby. That's it. And then I was getting ice cream for my babies, which my babies get ice cream from them,
Okay.
which is
Did you drive here?
no,
Okay.
ma'am.
No, if it's worth
So where do you live?
No, I live literally like 2 blocks down. Literally like 2 blocks down.
Okay,
That's
give me
why
your
I
ID.
did.
Is this your bag here?
Yeah. You see, yep, that's my bag. And then my
You have
bag.
your ID?
So my bag is because I'm homeless. My bag, it has an actual ID in it and everything.
Okay.
Thought she lived 2 blocks down.
You ain't got no idea.
Oh no. Dada, do you have it where we have the actual ID?
Who are you talking
Who's she
to?
talking to?
Is there someone else here?
Oh,
What's your address?
guy.
What's your address?
Your address.
No. What is your address?
Yours.
Okay.
No ID.
Signature. For the extreme.
Where do you live?
No ID.
Where do you sleep? Home. Where's home? You don't have a home? Like address?
No, we're going off of.
She hasn't walked very far. Her feet's not beat up.
She said she. When'd you get here?
Gorda.
Golda.
That's just what it is.
So, where'd you come from? Where's your house?
Stephanie, what's your phone number? 561. Huh?
What's in her bag? Does she have a phone or
Nothing.
anything? No?
You want my bag?
Yeah,
Let me
do
see
you
what you
have...
have in your bag.
Okay.
Yeah.
On one end, I would believe that the story that she says that that's her baby father's house or whatever, but then on the other end, it's like you've already lied a few times. You go from I'm living down the block to I'm homeless, to this is my baby daddy house, to I don't know who lives here. Like you can't. It's so much going on here that you can't even believe anything that's coming out of her mouth to even try to come up with a conclusion or a story that why is she here?
Any ID in your bag? It's right here, right?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
No, your bag right here.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay.
Look, she ready to get frisked.
dancing on you, man.
No, I didn't see that.
You just see her dancing?
No. No keys.
She's nobody.
Stephanie, where do you live? Where your shoes at?
He showed him somebody he doesn't even know.
Okay. All right. No other pockets?
Show him.
So what?
Stephanie,
Wow.
what's your phone number?
I'm trying to figure it out.
You don't have a phone? You don't have a wallet?
Y'all don't got a phone. Y'all don't got a wallet. Y'all don't got a what? What y'all got?
How can I get you home? How can I get you
All
back
right,
home?
we're gonna get you home, but you
Oh,
gotta
we're
tell me
gonna
where you
get home. I know we're gonna get home.
Where is that?
Because at the end of the day, y'all don't got nothing on me.
That's why we want to
live.
take you home.
To take you home because you knocking at people's houses, you could get in trouble.
Who's gonna get in trouble?
You. You can't be knocking
Who's gonna get in
houses.
trouble?
You.
Who's gonna get in trouble?
Ooh, I love me some Latinas, boy. Oh, they gonna get. Listen, it's one thing to have, you know, a lady cop and a lady suspect. That's entertainment enough, okay? But that's already enough entertainment. But to have the Latinas going at it, boy, oh boy. Listen, if you know, fellas, you know, we know them Latinas is, they not wrapped too tight, man, but that's what, you know, it's just, yeah, man. She not, listen, this suspect right here, she better tread real lightly, man, because you messing with a Latina officer. Not only is it female on female, but you got the spiciness. Oh man, look, my boy right here, he just sitting back. He ready for it to go down. Look at my guy right here, man. Look, what he looking down there for, man? Look at him. Look at him. What he looking at? He ain't looking at her eyes. What he looking at, man?
At the end of the day, I love you. I love you. Like, I literally,
I love
like,
you too, but we need to get you
like,
back.
I literally, like, I tell my people, I'm like, yo, this my bitch. Like, this my nigga. Like, I'll be damn. I wish a bitch
Girl
would
code.
when it comes to her.
Why did I get?
Like, be honest. Like, be honest. Like, let's be honest.
I'm being honest.
Tell
with
them, fuck them. I got it. Like, I got it. Let's go. Like, fuck them.
you. You know how to get back?
Yes.
Show me how.
We got it. Let's
How
go.
far? How far?
Yes, let's go.
You want your bag and your shoes?
I don't need it. Hey, I can take my purse, and
Yep.
also you can take your stuff, because at the end of the day, you're needed. Like, you're needed to be I guess covered and stuff like that.
Where's your house?
You need to.
I need you to tell me where you live.
At the end of the day,
help
if
me
you're
out,
gonna
help me
go
out.
with me, then you need to go with me. Cause at the end of the day, if you're not gonna go with me, then bitch, fuck you.
Okay.
She ready to get cracked. She ready to get cracked, man. You hear her? Listen. This is the type of female that, listen, this is a girl that like girls, man. You know what I'm saying? This is a girl that like girls. This is a girl that like guys, man. She ready to get cracked, man. Like, if she was down at the bar, or something, man, she ready to go. Listen, guys, you don't want to mess with nothing like this. This is way too intoxicated. You know what I'm saying? You mess with this right here, you gonna get a case. You would definitely, you gonna wake up in the morning, she gonna be talking about, I was abused, and you're done. Okay, guys? Don't mess with, you see something like this? No, we gotta have strong will, man. We gotta have some, you see something like this at the bar or at the club or whatever, you say, sweetheart, you are beautiful, but I got to go the other way. I can't mess with you, man. You know what I'm saying? She said, are you ready? Are you coming with me? If you coming with me, go with me. If not, then F you. You know what I'm saying? Or whatever she said. Man, she ready. She's ready to go. But you can't mess with this, man. This gonna get you caught up.
So understand it.
She's gonna do this to like another house.
Yeah, we can't let her just walk off. She's gonna walk in the road and get smacked by a car.
Ain't nobody getting smacked by no car.
We're concerned about you, that's all.
Oh, you're such a petty ass bitch.
That's not nice.
That's fine.
That's not nice.
No, that's fine.
Oh, good night.
You want medics to check her out?
That's what you want, right? No, because that's what he wants. Medic.
Fire rescue? You want ambulance?
No.
They don't want to take her to jail, but
You do.
No.
She gotta
It's-
sober up and
it's gonna happen.
come on, help us out. Tell us where you live so we can take you home.
No, I don't need none of it.
You need to tell us where you live.
No.
Come on, you don't
need
have.
none
What
of
happened?
it.
What happened to your ID? What happened to your ID?
Well, I guess you don't need none of it,
What
right?
happened to your ID?
Oh no, we don't need none of it. No, we're fine.
Relax, Steph.
Oh no, we're fine. It's okay.
Relax.
It's okay. It's okay.
You gotta-
We
you
don't
gotta wait
need
with
none
us.
of it. It's
You
okay.
need to wait here.
Yeah, it's okay. You guys leave.
No. Steph, just hold on here.
Why
Just
you
stay here.
bullying
I'm
me?
not bullying you. You can't leave.
You kind of are bullying
We can't let you
me,
leave in the
though.
state you're in. We have to take care of you. You can't take care of yourself.
Can we literally do it like publicly? As in, like, I know country wise, I know literally wise.
What?
I know, like, I know literally wise.
What's your
I
favorite
know
country?
lyrically wise.
Lyrically?
Yes. So
What's your
I
favorite
know
lyric?
what time it is when it comes to me knowing what time it is.
Hell yeah. Respect.
Yeah.
I get you on that. I know what time it is when I need to know what time it is too.
So go
Look. The white brother trying to fit in. Look, he talking about, come on. Oh man, yeah, this is hilarious. This is hilarious. But honestly, they don't want to take her to jail. They really don't. But she's so out of it that they're gonna end up taking her to jail just so they know that, okay, well, at least she's gonna be in this holding cell for 8 hours or whatever until she can sober up a little bit. But they really don't want to, but she's not cooperating, so that's probably what's gonna end up happening.
Gordo, what are you doing?
I'm helping you out.
Gordo, help me.
What do you mean don't help you? We gotta help you.
Gordo, help me.
You call me Gordo? I'm not Gordo. That's rude. Am I Gordo?
Oh, so that means you're disrespect.
That's not what that means.
That means you're disrespect.
I'm disrespect.
Yeah. That means you're just straight disrespect. And I don't give a fuck about you,
Relax.
nor anybody around that. So, Gordo around where? Bitch,
Don't
fuck
grab my
fucking
hand.
Gordo. Bitch, don't grab my hand. Where?
No. All right, you're done.
Bitch, fuck Gordo where?
Stephanie, we didn't want that to happen, so guess what? We walked right into that one. Yeah, that's tough. Ooh, she's trying to slip her cuff.
You might want to sack her. She might try to skin the cat on you.
Oh, you know what?
I would never.
I don't know what that means.
If you guys want to hold her arms, I'll put her in these so she can't get it out.
Yeah, we'll take care of it.
I might be able to slip them over the... maybe not. Here, take one of this one.
Y'all are so disrespectful. That's so sad.
You did this to yourself.
I didn't
When you watch
do
the video later,
nothing.
you'll see that we gave you every opportunity we could possibly.
No, I didn't. I really did. And you literally like give everything like nothing. But that's okay. That's okay. I know exactly the type of people that you are.
Anyone got medical scissors on? Yeah, I do. Let me cut it.
I know exactly the type of people that you are. Papi, put them exactly who they are, exactly.
Good old flexi cuffs.
Gordo, put them exactly who they are.
I'll pop her up.
Some piece of shit.
Do we have a cage I can pop in?
Yeah, I'm a whole person.
Sit down. Here, sit down.
So I know exactly who each and every one of y'all are.
Sit.
There you go, right there.
Yeah, I know exactly who y'all are.
Stephanie was charged with assault on law enforcement, obstruction, and battery on law enforcement. The court found probable cause, appointed a public defender, and released the defendant on a $2,000 bond with conditions of no alcohol or drugs. Prosecutors later filed only the battery charge, and the defendant pled not guilty. The case was continued to a plea conference on November 13, 2025, before Judge James Nutt, and is still open as of today's date.
Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. She ain't gonna get. She's just drunk, you know. I mean, ain't nothing. It's a big deal. Don't get me wrong, and she definitely deserved to go. But you know, if I was the cop, I would have found a reason to take her. I ain't gonna lie. I would have found a reason to take her too. Not really baiting her into hitting you or whatever, but I would have found a reason to take her just because she did need to sit in the holding cell and sober up. I mean, the first option is, hey, tell me where you live. We could try and get you home safe. If she don't want to do that, you got to find a reason to take her, because you can't just let her go. All right. Because she's just going to do what she did there to another house or whatever the case may be, still out there causing trouble. So it is what it is. But do I think she deserves to get some crazy time and all that? No. I mean, no. No. But anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna get officers 5 out of 5. They did what they had to do. I'm glad you made it to the end of the video. If you enjoyed the commentary and want to help me continue to keep the channel going and improving, please consider becoming a YouTube or Patreon member. The link is in the description box. Every bit of your support helps keep the content going, and I'll catch you in the next video.